too. I'm over here trading while I'm driving
And eating.
and eating. And get my ass pulled over for some stupid shit.
Here we go. We're finna make it to the 38. Right? Yeah.
Come on. I need it. So what I'm looking for is I'm looking. My target right now is 440.
I got mine set at 38.50.
See if I can.
What are you guys trading? Are you guys on ES?
Yeah, we're
Yeah.
on ES.
Oh, yeah, I took longs.
ES was just. Yep.
Okay.
Because Nasdaq had made the move so super fast, and
Order filled.
it made the move super fast. So and ES was lagging, so I was like, yes, I'm taking ES instead. But it needs to break this resistance zone. We have a big challenging zone here. If we can get the RSI to move up, oh, come on, go
It,
straight up.
it, it's going, bro.
We need it to look like a stick. If it looks like a stick, we get a big wick up or a big candle up. Hopefully to penetrate that resistance zone at 434.
Yeah,
We should be all
34, yeah, is the next zone. I see it too. Yeah, I agree.
right. Yeah.
I'm gonna follow a little bit close right here, up to 434.
Yeah, I'm actually moving my stop myself.
Stop filled.
Ooh, how many points are you away from my actual thing?
Got
Oh,
5.
I'm on. I'm going to profit. I'm moving my stop into profit instead of break even.
I'm there already.
I've moved my
Have a-
stop to 431.50, and then I'm at 225 total right now. If we can get this push, we need a major push.
There it
We need a
goes. There it goes.
250.
It's going.
Break it. It needs to break it. I need a strong break through this zone. If
Come
we get a
on.
strong break zone, we'll be all right.
If we get a real strong break, I'm moving my take profit up from 440.
Yeah. I don't see a reason for it to bounce to the downside or reverse. I don't see a reason to, but it might.
Come on, baby. Keep going. Little trouble.
Ooh, there we go.
That last trade, I was at 270, 260. Now I'm at 187 on this one.
Yeah. Let's see. I want to see what my if it goes to my
Come on, break. It's got to break right here.
it needs to break. It needs to push.
Ah,
We need a
he got
strong
me.
break.
He
Oh,
got me.
you got me, partner.
I'm
All
gonna
right.
wait. I'm gonna wait till it breaks to get back in.
Order filled.
I mean, hell, that was $450 right there in those two trades.
Yeah. If I can hold on to this trade and it pushes and breaks through, I'm looking at about $1,300 right now.
I just want to see a little bit of a break.
Right. Regardless, I have no risk on the table now, so I'm good
All
either
right,
way.
free trade.
Yeah, it's a free trade pretty much. I'm like pulled over on the side of the road. Come on, push it. You're right. It's right there. It's struggling. It is struggling. Come on. Oof. Push. Give me that 439. If it breaks this, we're seeing a break of the highs right here. 440.
Yeah, yeah, it'll go past that. But that's a little
Order
just a little
filled.
speed bump.
Yeah. It's what do you call it? It's aggravating.
Order filled.
Come on. We do have, I don't know if this is a thing on RSI or not, but we do have a double, I have on mine anyway, a double top on the RSI in the making.
Oh, yeah, I see that. I typically don't use those. I just use more so whether it's divergent or not. Well, it came back and took me out. I'm still in profit, so I'm good with that.
I think it's going down a little bit now because it just crossed my trend line I had drawn.
Yeah. It could be a small retracement, which is fine. I think it'll need that. What is NQ doing?
That's coming down.
How you, is it?
Yeah, I'm in a short on NQ right now.
Yeah, that I think that might be a good short.
Unfortunately, I can't look at it right now.
I'm probably gonna close out pretty soon.
I don't think I can keep open
Order
NQs
filled.
right now. So you guys are my eyes and ears for the NQ.
Yeah, NQ's moving short. I just took a quick scalp on it. I made like $100 on it.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, to be fair, we secured what? Almost $500 already?
Yeah, right at 500.
Yeah.
Pretty soon.
Which is cool.
Yeah, it is. Hell yeah. What for? What 25 minutes work?
Yeah. Right. Luckily, I think, but I don't think it pulls back that hard. I do think it will bounce off the 50 range on the RSI. Typically, if I can see it above 60, the 60 range on the RSI, it'll be a continuation to the upside. If it's around, I'd say like 20 on the RSI, it's a continuation to the downside. However, I don't think it's gonna be. Yeah, see, that's what I thought.
Yeah, I drew another trend line up, so I'm waiting. It went
Order
below it, but I'm
filled.
waiting for the price to come back above the
Order
trend line
submitted.
again for continue. Then I'll get back in, which
Yeah.
it looks like it might do here in just a second. As soon as it does, I'm back in all the way up to 57.
Right. Because the problem is it's having trouble with the zone. You know what
Yeah,
I mean?
that 34, 35 area right there, man.
Yeah. It's a strong zone. But the thing is, Nasdaq already have broke that. It shattered that.
Oh, okay.
So that's why I'm like, okay, it shouldn't be too bad, right?
I wouldn't. Yeah,
It break it. So that's why I'm shooting for those highs because Nasdaq went up there or at least close to it.
hell, there might be another entry at 30 again.
Order filled.
Just made. I'm up 360 right now.
Let's see what happens.
Took a nice little another short entry.
On NQ?
Yeah.
NQ's been doing some funky shit or what?
It was pretty much like a little bearish flag that I had saw. Damn, it really came out lower.
Really ripping.
Yeah. It could have held a lot longer, but I'm just scalping this.
Downtrend day or what?
To be honest with you, from what I'm seeing, the market does look like it wants to come down to like those 400s, like 400 flats, maybe a little bit lower. Because there is some points of where there is FPGs on the 60-minute, on the hourly. There was one at 555 area that pretty much price could go back up to, but there is an opening range where the market pretty much already did gap up from OPEX. where it opened from 445 all the way up to 504. So
Yeah.
price right now is kind of just going in that range. I don't know if it's gonna fully fill through, but its price has already been down to like that 464 area. So I do think price could keep coming down just a tad bit, but it could bounce back up to that 550 area. So those longs that you're speaking of on the ES, we could see it go back up for an NQ. I think price is just trying to fill in that gap, the opening range.
Yeah. But NQ, if you look at NQ, it has a big ass wick
Yeah,
on the bottom side. That's dangerous.
that's what I'm saying. Like it's simply speaking, it's probably trying to fill in that opening range from yesterday. One, two, three, four. Yeah, from yesterday's open, but um,
Are you seeing this shit? Yo, they did some raids, bro. They're raiding. They're stop raiding. They're raiding stops for real.
for real.
Yeah, I will stop run.
This is why, like, if the trend, if the RSI flips up and this candle closes higher,
Mm.
this is gonna be. I have a feeling this is going up.
Let's see.
I don't.
Feed
I,
clock.
and then maybe continue down to the downside for all that liquidity down there. It's probably time for it to reverse, but we'll see. I'm waiting real quick to see what happens here with this candle and the next one. Because for a big ass wick like that, that was pain. That wasn't like, oh, let me get in. That was pain for a lot of people.
Yeah, that short that I took was nice. I got out way quicker than I wanted to, but I took it when I did. Those two small trades, but I'm close to hitting 2K on profit on the account. So I need a grand less, or yeah, a grand, just to
There you
hit
go.
3K on this eval.
Yeah. You made 2K on that account?
I'm at 1900 right now. I literally need like $70 just to get 2K already.
Hell yeah. 2K payout?
No, this is just an eval.
Oh, okay.
I just need
Either way,
I'm just trying to pass this thing. But
either way, that's good.
We're performing something vicious right now.
this is what day number 3 back from haven't been trading for several months.
Okay, that's right. I remember you saying that.
I'm headed to the gym shortly, so I'm trying to get a couple of trades in before I head to the gym. And then I'm gonna be, I'm gonna be back to trade. But I know I don't trade lunch because lunch doesn't really give me anything that I need. Lunchtime, so
I'm back long at 29.
I'm actually not in any position because I can't get in one.
it's in the middle of that range, though.
You're looking for shorts, right?
Oh, there it goes.
Ooh, that was a crazy little rip.
Yeah, I got long at 29.
There you go.
I'm fitting to take my profit up.
That's interesting. This is definitely doing. Oops, sorry.
Keep going, baby. Keep going. Keep going.
Let me see. I would take a long here. Let's see what it's supposed to give me though.
That's the second time I bought 30.
That's
Ball two.
actually your buy. You bought it a bullish fair value gap, which you should. That's how you should take that trade when it's like that. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Not only that, we're in a good.
Order filled.
Like a continuation to the upside, starting to. However, it looks also like a continuation to the downside because of the move down in the pre-market.
Yeah, I got too aggressive with my stop. I got stopped for 100, which might not have been a bad deal.
Yeah, my stops are pretty aggressive, so that's how I trade. I don't leave them that wide for too long.
Yeah.
But they get
But we'll
stopped
see.
out.
Stop filled.
It's starting to more look like it moved to the downside over.
Yeah.
Because if you look at it, if you look at even the RSI, it's kind of telling you, it's like, okay, we made the pre-market move down to the downside. Market rallied back up to
Order
the
order filled.
424 zone, which is major resistance zone, and then now it wants to move down.
Yeah, with that,
You know what
that
I mean?
Trump tariff talk too, man. I think it's making everybody kind of nervous
Yeah.
with
Which,
Russia.
if they're talking about tariffs, then I would rather, uh, I would rather take a short. I'm not gonna lie.
He was talking about tariffs and Iran or something like that. He said Iran's making some weird threats and stuff. So I don't know.
So uncertainty in the market. If anything about Jerome Powell comes up, the market's gonna dump.
Somebody said that he might be resigning at the end of this week or before the week's up.
Because he don't want to go to court.
Which we should be like way lower interest rates right now.
Yeah, that's true. He's holding it high. He's like, well, everything's good. So why are you holding the fucking interest rates high?
Exactly. Yeah, the whole world's like way less than we are. Like points less. I think like they said Australia's at a 0.25 interest rate. And some other countries.
I think I found a new drink at your store, man.
Which one was it?
It's my normal. I just added green apple to it.
Oh, I like green apple.
Yeah,
have you had the green apple Jolly Rancher?
Yeah. The drink or the candy?
No, the drink. We make a Jolly Rancher, green apple Jolly Rancher.
No, I didn't know that.
Yeah, who does everybody know how to make that? The green apple Jolly Rancher?
No, but it's in the pink book.
Oh, so if you ever want to try the green apple Jolly Rancher, it's in the pink book. Just tell them to look in the pink book.
Or ask for a drink.
Or a team leader, they'll know how to make it. Let me see if my son's up. Kason, you gotta be at work, buddy, at 10. All right.
Stop filled.
Okay.
Oh, freaky.
Had to take 2 longs and got stopped out on both. But
You got stopped out?
yeah, on both of them.
Yep.
I'm technically break even right now.
Short or long?
2 longs.
Oh, okay.
And it's probably gonna bounce a little bit, but
I think it's coming down, fellas.
The same thing. I think Suda has the right idea. I do think. At the same time, it's hard because both sides are getting respected in terms of fair value gaps. So it's hard to really tell where the market is going. It's just chopping around, and right now it's looking like a bearish pivot, just in candlestick formation. In the last 5 candles. So it's kind of like you can look at the candles, you kind of use that, I guess, but RSI shows that it wants to go down. There's no momentum up to that side like that anymore.
here it comes. I'm I'm looking on NQ though, but the move is already happening now. It stopped me out, but the move is actually like kind of already ripping up a little bit. So,
ripping up?
Not like ripping up, but it's already moving up where the points where I wanted it to go. So I'm already like, that's up.
Yeah, ES has been lagging. That's why I took it on ES, just for the lagging. I can get a better feel just because it is moving a little bit slower than NQ today.
Yeah, it's moving slow. It's moving slow.
Sometimes ES or NQ gets a little too violent for me.
Oh, I agree.
Order submitted.
I'm gonna try one
So
more.
I think that's why.
Order filled.
I want to stick to ES like solely, just trade.
Order
ES solely.
filled.
That's what I started doing, man. I got my face ripped off on NQ all the time, so I got tired of that.
Like I'm make the money back on NQ.
Stop
if I do
filled.
anything.
Ooh, that was ugly.
Like it's just.
When I move my stop.
I feel like ES is cleaner than NQ a lot of the time. You know what I mean? Like your entries, the
Yeah.
actual trade is always. It just seems more cleaner than NQ.
I like that. That's
I-
crazy.
And I typically look at both just to see how good they like who's the cleanest. And ES, I think people don't trade ES because it's too expensive.
And I think, like, if you ever traded NQ, I think it's too slow for people going back to ES. Like
Yeah.
I heard to it referred as the old man indice where people trade.
Yeah, it really is. A lot of people don't trade it, but people do keep an eye out on it just because they want to know what the market's giving them. The market is really.
Someone's dogs got out. All right, I'm at home.
Nice.
Order filled.
We can get back on the streets again.
If we're going short, trust me.
Stop filled.
Okay. Yeah, I've been getting stopped out on these longs. That's crazy.
On ES at 30 level, right where we're at. If you look back to Friday, there's support right there, still at 30 from Friday.
Give me a long entry, give me a short entry. That's just been literally what give me out.
What's that?
Order filled. Order filled.
Take a see mine.
I have these 4 freaking evals at Apex I've had passed for a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
And I forgot about the dang rebuilding. It rebuild yesterday. I should have activated them. But I forgot about them, man, until I saw my emails this morning where it rebuild. I mean, they're still passed, but now I'm just going to wait another month because I'm not going to activate them right now when I just got billed for them today.
Yeah.
All right. Looks like we may be going down now.
I took a short entry. I'm gonna just see if I can make half of that money that I lost back. I think crazy.
Yeah, I mean NQ is looking like it's going down.
Yeah, I took a short.
Gap.
Shows ES.
I might get stopped out knowing how this market's been treating me this so far with these couple longs I've taken.
Nah, I think it'll go down. I think you're right on NQ.
Order submitted.
No man. ES looking real nice right now.
look for
Stop filled.
a
Yeah.
retracement down to about 419.
I'm short at 29.
Okay.
I do like these shorts, but I don't.
You're stalling too hard. That's where
You're like
that's
this
what
guy. This
concerns
is who
me.
you are.
No, like decisive move. It's just like consolidating a little bit. You know what I mean? Ooh, that's spicy.
Oh,
Mm. Let's see. Hmm. You still in short?
no, I got stop. I moved my stop and it stopped me out for a little bit of profit. Small, small amount of profit. Let's consolidate in here, which ironically enough, like even looking on the 5 minute, like I don't even see any, like, because usually this is the time frame where we get the silver bullet move. But I haven't seen anything outside of,
The opening day.
yeah. I mean, even like on the 1 minute, there is like a FEG, but it's not even in the same time frame that it needs to be. It's just the opening range, which honestly, price could go back up to like that 515 area, then we can see some rejection. But
Hold up.
so yeah, let me see. I'll probably take a short coming up pretty soon, depending on what price does right here.
I got stopped on my short. Yeah.
I'm currently looking for. It's looking like a turn break to the downside. I'm just waiting for the break to happen. So if we were to break, let's see.
Oh, you know
Yeah.
what?
But
We just 10 minutes ago had that medium
Order
impact
filled.
news, the Dallas Fed Manufacturing Index. It was positive news. So that might be why we're seeing a little tick up right now.
Makes sense.
hmm.
Oh, damn.
It came down right before that news, and then it hit, and it went back up. And we got the 6-month bill auction and 2-year note auction in 45 minutes.
Okay,
Low
so
impact.
Order filled.
I'm in a short, but it's probably not a good short at all, to be honest. But we're gonna see. I'm just looking to see if I can get at least a little bit of this one. Oh, that is right. Um,
Keep coming.
Ooh. It needs to break this resistance level though. At 34. This 34 zone. 33 zone. It needs to be broken.
Use the bathroom.
Alright. Thank you. Let's see. Yeah, as you see NQ been broke the resistance zone that they're struggling at.
Yeah.
And their next one is 540. They haven't really had a crazy move down, but they're playing in this range, which I don't think NQ don't look bearish, in my opinion.
Neither. Well, ES is turning around. Looks like as well.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
I think I would take.
I'm long right here.
I was gonna say I'm gonna set a buy limit order, and then I'm gonna target those highs of. But I'm having trouble with this, with wanting to put an order in at this super strong ass resistance zone because it keeps bouncing off of it. And it hasn't really broken. I mean,
If I lose this one, I might wait until price action kind of straightens up.
we need a decision. That's why I'm like hesitant on putting in the limit order. Because not only is there a fair value gap, bearish fair value gap, there's all that resistance there too, right next to it. That's what's making me think it doesn't want to go up there. And the momentum is going to be to the downside, or it's going to consolidate until lunchtime or to after lunch or something.
I think I might cut this trade here in a second.
Because even if it breaks this resistance, it'll hit 439. I mean, I would, from there, I just want this resistance to be broken. If it breaks this resistance, I'll take the trade, but it's not doing it at all. And Q is starting to look bearish, but it took out its opening high or its pre-market high, and ES didn't. So that's what also is making me a little bit bearish too, because their divergence between the pairs also their momentum isn't that strong to the upside. And that's why you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Hmm. You know what? I'm gonna put a short limit order in.
I'm still in this long. Come on. Bye, buddy. See you in a bit.
Yeah, it's awfully. You know what? Yeah, I think I'm comfortable with that decision. I think I'm comfortable with a short.
Yeah, I just cut my loss. I cut it at 50
Damn, I'm
bucks.
still in the short. I went to the bathroom, came back, brushed my teeth. I was like, I probably got stopped out. Never mind, I'm still in profit.
Yeah, I was in a long and cut my long short at 50 buck loss.
Not
This
bad.
was
It's $50.
yeah, it wasn't going up like I thought it was going, so I just got and the RSI was heading down for my
Yeah.
trend line.
If I can close out for some profit at least. I'm like in profit, but I mean like I'm getting back from the 3 long losses that I took.
Yeah.
This price action's stupid.
Yeah, it is.
Order
But
filled.
I think it
Ooh.
pushes down from here. To be
It,
honest,
it did.
I'm comfortable with that decision. Like I get it dancing around, but I don't think it runs up. And if it runs up, it's gonna wake up and then go down.
I closed out. I made 570 on that, but again I took a couple losses that were a pain in the ass. But I'm in profit. I'm only up 30 on the account, or 30 on the day.
Yeah.
Better than a red.
Yeah, true.
I'm so tempted to take a short.
Oh damn! There it goes. Fuck!
It needs to push.
That would have hit my TP. I closed out too early. It would have hit my TP. Yeah, and that was where this wick on the NQ, where it really wicked at, was where my TP was. That's hilarious. I should have just stayed in the bathroom just a little bit longer.
All right. Hey, that's what had all happens, bro. Whenever you get up, I have a new indicator I'm making. It's gonna be in your seat, and when you
Okay.
get up, that's when shit happens.
Jeez. That's how it usually goes.
But I think I think it's bearish, man. I'm not gonna lie. I think it runs down.
Yeah, I got 2 points right here in my. Let me draw my trend line on RSI. Bam and bam. Yeah, looks like it's fitting across RSI on my trend line to the downside.
Yeah.
If it does, I'm in.
It just the problem is that they're trying to prop it up, and I'm like, you need to just short it, let it go, because that's premium of the whole move from the last week. So 418 on ES at least. Not, I don't know
418.
about yeah, that's premium from last week. So if they run it down there, that's also where my take profit is as well.
Are you in a short right now?
I am in a short right now. I've been in a short at 430.
Yeah, it just crossed the RSI. I'm in.
Order filled.
There we go. If it gives me a big push
Order
down,
filled.
I'll be happy. I won't have to stress it too much, you know. I honestly I'm liking ES more than NQ. I'm not gonna lie. There we go. I'm up 200. Come on.
Come on. It's fixing to push. We're gonna get a push down. Come on, baby. Retest right there. Come on back down. No.
Order filled.
Come on. It keeps trying to pop and they push it back down.
Yeah. It's strong.
Here it goes. It's fitting to break.
It needs to. It needs to break hard. Like we need a very like heavy break.
There it goes. Told you, here it goes.
Yes, sir. take profit. Just get down there. I'm gonna move my stop loss up though. I'm gonna move it into just above break even for now. I need it to go down past these 624 area, 624.25 area for me to move it into profit. That way, the chances of it reversing aren't that bad, but because it's leaving the double low, double bottom here. Ooh, 325. Come on, man, rip it.
Go, 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 go. Oh, you fucker. I followed too closely.
Order filled.
All right, the account's at 2100 right now.
Uh-oh.
I'm up 500 on the account. I could have held a little longer, but I wanted that little scalp as best as I possibly could. It's gonna come down a lot more. That's for damn sure.
Yeah, I don't think it's done.
Yeah, I think it's coming down a lot more. I just was trying to get that quick as possible. So I'm up on the account. I still need $1,000 to be able to get me to pass this account, which we probably could do today. I'm not gonna lie. If I can get some more moves like that,
Yeah.
I'll take them.
I mean, in all reality, like if it hits my TP, I'll be up 1450 for the day. What? Come on, just break down. The RSI gets to around, I want to say, we need the RSI to run down to about
Order submitted.
25. If we could get it to run, if it runs down to 25, there's going to be a big dump. So we need this candle to actually push down and not come back up instead, which is, that's what it's doing. So,
Yeah.
God damn it.
Oh.
Because that means, like, if it's struggling there's some kind of, the momentum is slowing down. I don't want the momentum to slow down. That's annoying. Come on, man. I mean, granted, I'm still in profit 275 right now.
Yeah, we're gonna win all of them.
I just took off one contract. I have 2 contracts on CS right now, so. Come on. What are you doing, RSI? The crazy part is, like, the way we use this shit is actually kind of, there we go, push it. Like the way, like it's in fact a lagging indicator, but the way we're using it is fucking genius. Whoever the
Yeah.
guy that created the guy that created this is a fucking genius.
Yeah, man, I just went down a rabbit hole one day and was, and I just saw that and I was like, look at that. I said, I've never heard of that before in my life.
Yeah, for hundo, let's go. And then when I did some studying too after Friday, I was just working on it and working on it and working on it, and it's like, man, this. And then when I looked up the RSI and who created it, even the creator said it wasn't meant to be used as overbought, oversold areas.
Right.
So I was like, well, damn.
Yeah.
We all
who's been teaching that this whole time?
exactly. Didn't I just say that, Judah?
Yeah.
You were just talking about it's the way they teach it. Like, of course, you're gonna believe it for so long because they're teaching it for so long. Meanwhile, they're doing something else with it, and doing other things and not showing you what they're doing.
Yeah, 90% of people are using it on a overbought, oversold, and 10% are using it like we're using it.
Yeah, and so like the fact that you're using it as an overbought or sold makes it a lagging indicator. But if you use it for momentum building, it makes it a leading indicator, which is crazy. Come on, man. Should be okay. I don't see myself getting stopped out here. See. It has to hit 429 on the EMS. Granted, like I have no more risk on the table, so I'm okay. I really would like it to go to my take profit though.
Right.
I really would like the price just to run down to my take profit. It almost, bro. So this wick right now currently almost stopped me out. It was off by 0.25 ticks.
Oh, wow.
Come on. Just do this. It's gonna be hopefully it just runs down at like starts to run down at 11. It just drops. That way, at lunchtime they probably buy it back up or something. Or after lunch they'll buy it back up in the afternoon session. That's what I'm looking for. Oh my god! Of course, you just want to keep going up. It's gonna take me out this time. That candle's a little too strong.
Order filled. Order filled.
There we go. There we go.
Order filled.
Push it.
Stop filled.
Let's go. Yes, sir. I can't believe that shit missed me by a tick. That's crazy.
It missed you?
It missed my stop loss by a tick. For 2 ticks. Which is insane. Come on.
Order filled.
I think it probably reaches for this 421.50 area on ES.
21. Yeah, I can see that.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Because there's no real. Ooh. Ooh.
And there it goes.
Yes, sir.
Nice.
Yes, sir. Come on, baby.
There you go. There you go.
Come on. This RSI shit is insane.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm just gonna start going to T Energy and trading at the shop.
Right? Let's go.
Come on, man.
Order filled.
We need some violent moves to the downside. To be honest, it needs to be aggressive. Just stalling out every 2 seconds is quite annoying.
See what we got here. 27 minutes. So in 30 minutes, 11:30 or what is it? Yeah, 10:30 Central Time. We got news. Low impact news, but news all the same.
Yeah. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, 421 I feel like would be the zone. what's happening right here. There's a bit of a support right here at 426. So I think that's why it's struggling just a bit. It's tested it. It's rejected off this zone quite a few times. But the problem, what I see though, is I don't see it really come back up in momentum wise. Candle wise, price action wise, it's still in the same zone, just bouncing around. Look at that. Um, Come on, man. What do you see, Judah?
Honestly, I don't know. This chop around here, this chop is kind of just annoying because it's on NQ. It's just like it's bounced up, it's come down, but it's wicked both times on both areas.
Yeah.
So it's kind of just like I feel like it's gonna probably shoot up on us a little bit and then make another move, or it could just continue. But I feel like because I've been a short too, but my entry's horrible. I'm gonna probably get stopped out here. But at one point when I didn't realize that I was already up a couple good points, and then it just reversed, and I'm already like in some drawdown. But it's
Yeah.
my entry. My entry is at like 490 flat, and it's like playing around this area. But I mean, if we get this thing to come down, I'll be great. Let's see right now.
Yeah. I feel you.
I'm in profit, but nothing crazy. It's like literally, I'm in profit. I'm in drawdown. Where are we going? I'm probably getting stopped out. Yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out right here.
Stop filled.
Yeah, stop. I got stopped out. So
See. Ah, annoying. There's literally no reason for it to continue to the upside right now. I mean, I guess if they want to do like liquidity sweeps, but I don't see that too many pivots to be honest. I see
yeah,
one, two.
because it's honestly, I'm looking on the 1 minute, and it's like in this small FBG that it has, it's been rejected this area several times already. But now prices really went into it, and it's still holding to an extent. But
Yeah.
like it could reverse on us. But I mean, again, even on the 5 minute, it's like
Well, there's a 5 minute bearish FPG too, so it's broken and bullish. I'm gonna refill my entry. I took profit and I was like, yeah, fuck that. This bouncing around is annoying. I mean, I was in profit the whole time. However, like with the fucking fees,
mm,
this is like it's look at this shit, man. Like, can you just fucking go? And every time I say that though, like it ends up fucking going without me, and I can't take the truancy. It just flashes down. Oh my goodness, man. Oh, what is this? There's some weird action today, to be honest. I guess it's because it's Monday, but Mondays are shitty. I just I think it tests this for value gap and runs down. Personally, or it just runs down now. So I have a sell limit order here at 429.25, and I have a stop at 430. So not that much. It's a real aggressive stop loss.
Yeah.
Mhm. Mhm. See how violent does this get?
Order filled.
Quick. Of course.
Do something. Holy moly. We've been trading in a 10-point range since it opened.
Yep. Shit, I want to look at YM now.
What's RTY doing?
Let's see. YM is positive actually. YM is actually to the upside. It's doing the complete complete opposite. That's so stupid. You know the crazy part is YM has the same pattern as Nasdaq and ES, but to the top side, to the upside instead of downside.
Well, that's what's keeping.
I took a long. I'm in a long just to. I want to see something. I'm not really like. I don't really.
What are you trying?
So I'm taking a long on NQ, and I'm trying to see if price can get back to that 515 area, and then maybe we can see some more of a move down. But I just want to see if it can go into this price range. I think liquidity wise, I think price wants to go up there before it comes back down. It's a small move that I'm thinking. Like my stop loss is really close. It's like literally like a 7 point or like a 10 point stop loss. But I'm probably gonna
Stop
stop that
filled.
right here, which I just did, yeah. But I wanted to see if price could go. It's gonna go up to that area, but it's.
Right.
I was wrong about that, but it's lagging the move down. So I was like, maybe price wants to just jump up some to kind of draw people in and then have it come back down. But I just got stopped out. So
Well, yeah. I would say, I mean, if you look at the momentum right there, it's to the downside.
yeah, I see
That's probably why you got.
fucking lagging so much. I was like, maybe we might just get a grab of liquidity because that's when we get those big moves of like a big gap, like a big wick. So I was like, maybe this might be that move where we see that and then it comes back down.
Yeah.
All right, but I'm about to head out for the gym and I'll be back on, yo.
Everybody, have a good one.
Yes, sir.